Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to search for a player or a team in the Fantasy Premier League app. So first, you need to go ahead and open the application on your device, whatever you're using, iPhone, Android, iPad, or any other devices. Then select more in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here, search for the player that you want. I'm searching for Erling Haaland. Click on follow. And now go back to your following list by selecting the following option from the bottom between PL Companion and Matches. Select it. You'll get two different options of clubs and players. Make sure that you've selected the desired ones. Now tap on the player's name to view their profile, like their stats, forms, and ownership. If available in your app version, you can add the player by tapping the plus icon or add them to your watch list. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.